Hello viewers and welcome to my channel, Review Information. In this video I will show you how to tag someone on your Facebook story.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
To tag a person on your Facebook story is very easy process. Watch this full video to learn how to do this. To begin, open the Facebook application. Now tap on Add to Story from the home screen of the Facebook app. You can select the story type from the top. You can take a new photo or video by tapping the camera icon, or you can select a photo or video from your gallery. Select any of this. You will see a bunch of options at the top right. From these options, tap on Tag People. Now select the people whom you want to tag. You can select more than one people if you want. You can also add people by searching here. After that, tap on Done from the top right corner. You can change the style by tapping on the name. You can resize this and place it anywhere on the screen by dragging. And finally, tap on Share to Story. Your story has been updated. Check this out. As soon as the story is updated, the tagged person will be notified that he or she has been tagged on any post. So in this way, you can tag someone on your Facebook story. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.